StockPulse Newsroom. We are talking Idaho Champion today. Idaho Champion Gold Mines trades is ITKO in the CSE, GLDRF on the OTCQB in the States here, acquiring a couple of lithium projects there in James Bay. And so exciting news here. I've got the CEO, Jonathan Buick, to run through it. So, well, you've been talking about reinventing the company here, Jonathan. He said, give you some time and then you come up with something here. You got some time and I think you came up with something here. So let's run through the news here for investors.
First, Rob, good to see you. I hope the balance of your summer was good. I apologize I wasn't able to attend the conference this year, but it's because we've been busy. I've been telling my shareholders for some time since we announced in April this year the MOU with the Asian Battery Group about the repositioning and refocusing of the company. And we've had a number of conversations on projects. And today we announced the acquisition of two potential lithium projects up in the James Bay corridor, where we've seen tremendous success and probably the best holes in the last 10 years on the lithium side. But at Patriot Battery Metals, we sit to the north of them. It's 162 square kilometers across two property areas. And, it's pretty dynamic time. And we see that the reason to be aggressive, and we are going to be aggressive. We've got an opportunity to get our team in the field immediately. And so we're literally ramping up this week to have crews getting out there. We want to get out and get some work accomplished before snow flies, to get some drill targets and immediately get a drill program happening as well. So, it's been a grind for everybody in the junior space, but we've got a purpose, we've got a focus. We also have a very capable team. And for those that don't know, two of our directors have significant lithium experience. We've got Paul Fornazzari, who sits on our board. He was one of the founders of Lithium Americas. That's now about a $6 billion company. He was also founder and chairman for Neo Lithium, which got taken out by Cattle. It wasn't Cattle, it was Xinjiang for $960 million about a year ago. And then we also have Patrick Highsmith, who was the Lithium One when it was taken out by Galaxy. So we've got good pedigree, proven success and transactions in the space. And we're going to continue to bulk up our team. And so you'll see some news on the come in terms of how we build out our team as we prioritize battery metals.
Yeah, wasting no time here, getting at it here. So yeah, I guess you might look at it as like coming home to your roots here, maybe. So yeah, I guess talk to investors who might have got blindsided by a gold company all of a sudden now working these type of deals, certainly in an exciting battery metal market here. So I guess talk about this liftoff.
Sure. So we picked up our cobalt ground in Idaho. We've got that as our priority. The gold projects, we actually are in conversation about divesting of at least one of them, monetize that for the benefit of the shareholder. We're see how that conversation evolves. But certainly the cobalt ground in Idaho, we're in that corridor where we're beside and in close proximity to the ones that matter with electro battery metals and Jervois. Jervois is going to start producing cobalt this year. In the conversations in my background, we picked up that cobalt back in 2018 based on a couple of transactions I was an advisor to, with Cobalt Blue in Australia, having LG come in, and then Blackstone Minerals with the nickel project in Vietnam, and then also Queensland Pacific. All three of those are battery metals companies. We were successful as an advisor. I was successful in bringing in meaningful capital out of the Korean battery groups, and we're looking to replicate that success. We've got the projects now covering two of the important metals, and we're not finished. We're looking to see if we can bring in a nickel project as well.
Okay, well, a lot to pay attention to. We'll look for results here before the snow starts flying, but appreciate the update as always. Jonathan Buick, he's CEO, Idaho Champion Gold Mines, ITKO on the CSE, GLDRF on the OTCQB in the States. Again, Jonathan, congratulations, and we'll look forward to your news flow.
Thank you. No, we've got a loyal shareholder base, and this is where the reward comes. We've got our sleeves rolled up, and we're gonna deliver some meaningful results. So thank you for giving us a chance to speak to your audience.